nice little flies. Yeah, look at them. Ain't they so sweet and cute? Just look at them. Yeah, nice little horseflies. Never mind their missing wings and legs. We still got all his legs. Yeah, how are we doing today? Yeah, give him a little pet, little tap. These guys are in retirement. They're enjoying their retirement. They forgot to contribute to their 401k though. And they was trying to steal blood from us. So, yeah. Yeah. Tickle his belly. Yeah. Oh, he wants his belly rubbed. Rub his belly. Now, where are you going? Get over and wake up. Wake up, little fly. Yeah. There we go. Oh, he still wants his belly rubbed. Rub your belly. There we go. Yeah. Back. Rub his back. Yeah. They're just having a good time, ain't they?